You're up.
So most of us, if not all of us, know to run to the doctor or to a physician if we're not feeling well, or if we're starting to feel like we're coming off with something. But what if I told you that there is a different technique that can help improve your well-being, both mentally and physically? Because Reiki is practiced all over the world and can give a lot of benefits to someone, it is important to know what it is, what can be treated or healed through Reiki, and what to expect in a Reiki session. So what is Reiki exactly? According to the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, it is defined as a healing technique based on the principle that the therapist can channel energy into a patient by means of touch to activate the natural healing process of the patient's body, and it is used to restore physical and emotional well-being. Reiki originated in Japan between the end of the 19th century and the beginning of the 20th century. The Reiki founder was a man named Miko Ushi, and he was a Japanese Buddhist. Reiki is a system of healing for the body and mind, and it is a method of hands-on healing through energy work. Reiki energy is believed to be the healing energy of the universe. I know it's a little bit hard to wrap your head around that. And in order to practice Reiki, you have to be passed on the Reiki energy. Anyone can learn Reiki, and anyone can get Reiki as well. It is completely safe, and 90% of everyone that gets Reiki is usually happy. The other 10% say that they didn't feel anything at all. Now that we know what Reiki is, let's take a look at what can be treated or healed through Reiki. Reiki can be applied to almost any part of the body, injury, or illness. It also provokes a calming effect on the mind and emotions. It is actually now pretty common for cancer patients to seek Reiki as palliative care. And on a physical level, Reiki can be used for headaches, sore muscles, herniated discs, hernias, and chronic pain. At an emotional level, it is used to treat fears, anxiety, negative emotions, and also depression. So here's an example for you to sort of understand what Reiki does to the body. Let's consider our bodies much like forms of energy and light. The way we interact with our environment and others, as well as our actions and thoughts, determine the harmonious functions of our energy in our body. All of these factors contribute to our health and well-being. Each of us has a specific vibrational rate, and when this vibrational rate becomes out of tune, we become ill. Reiki is beneficial because through energy work, it helps our energy get back in tune, and we get our own unique vibrational rate. Reiki can be used to treat anything, but what exactly can you expect at a treatment? Reiki is usually 90 minutes long, or an hour and a half, and unlike massage therapy, you are fully closed. You are usually laying down in a bed, and the therapist will place his or her hands above your body about an inch or so. Most of the times, they don't ever touch your body. They just use light pressure around areas where you might need. So like if you go for like a headache, they'll slightly touch your head. Other than that, they will avoid sensitive body parts. And like I said, 90% of the people feel peaceful and relaxed, and many fall asleep during the session. In conclusion, because Reiki is practiced all over the world, and many claim to experience beneficial outcomes, It is important to know what it is, what to expect at a session, and what can be healed through Reiki. We're all used to relying on medications to heal, but what if there was a different alternative? There you go.